Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Today's video is going to be very special because there was a video which I had made on Bengali saree draping for Durga Ma. And in that video, I had introduced about Rhythm Bhagat, another subscriber of my channel who actually does the dresses and all for god idols. I really love the dresses that she had made for her Durga. So I happened to give her a few orders for my idols, and believe me, I haven't even had an idea on what color dress she has sent me or what is the dress material that she has used or which style she has stitched. So she just told me that the total bill is this much and I have just paid her, and she has told me that it's going to be a surprise. So this is the box that she has sent me, and I'm super excited to open this because it seems that she has also sent a few gifts for Durga Ma. So let me just open this. In this video, I'm not going to show you the idols on which I'm going to be using these dresses. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the dresses, and the Shringar part will be shown in different videos. She has sent it to me as if it's a gift. So that's why you can see all of these ribbons and all. Oh my god, look at the packing. She's so careful. And it seems that the set that she has sent for Durga Ma is a bridal look. And here is a customized message from her. Thank you for your order. Your order made our day. Hope this parcel makes your shop tag share your order on social media. So she has given the Insta and her YouTube links and all. Oh wow. So I think this is going to be the pagadi for Lord Krishna. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at the finishing, the flowers, the jewelry, the latkans. So good. Beautiful. Oh wow. Handmade with love. Okay. Let's open this and see what is this. Look at the way in which it is packed. Beautiful, isn't it? Actually, the reason why she has made it like this is because for one of my idols, I didn't wanted the dresses to go round. When I'm going to do the Shringar or Alankaram for those idols, I'll tell you the reason why she has made it like this. I specifically told her that I really don't want it to wrap completely. I just wanted the dress to come in the front part of the idol. I think this happens to be the cape, which can be tied at the back from the neck, just like you would have seen Superman and all. So they usually have a cape at the back side. And this must be a chunni. So I had asked a set for my Hanuman Vigraha, and I think this is the set which she has sent for that. Look at how beautifully each one of these things are packed with all the ribbons and everything. Okay, so this is another dress. I think this is a skirt, and this is like a blouse, and this seems to be a chunni. Beautiful. Such good color combination, isn't it? Okay, so this happens to be another dress. And as I said, I didn't wanted any of the dresses to go around the idols. Okay, I just wanted only the front part to be covered. So she has also sent me this kind of a chunni, and there are two sets over here. So just by looking at these two identical sets, you might be able to guess for what I have ordered this. It's actually for Ram and Lakshman. Look at this is so cute. But I won't tell you what is this for. It's going to be a surprise. Oh, she sent a lot of jewelry. I'll just show it to you later. And I don't know what this dress is for which idol she has made this dress. So let's see. Wow, look at the fabric. So beautiful. I still don't know how to drape it. I think I'm going to ask her on which style she has made. I think probably it's going to be like this. Again, as I told you, I don't want any of the dresses for the god idols to go around it, because there are some limitations in the idols. And a gold chunni. Okay, so now comes the last dress, and I think this one is for Durga. I'm so excited to open this. I can't tell you. And she was telling me that she has actually made this dress as if Durga Ma is a Punjabi bride. Okay, I'm just going to remove these pins and I'll show you what she has made. Okay, so I think this is the blouse for my Durga. And this happens to be the skirt. And look at these latkans, how beautiful this is. So Durga is going to wear this dress for Chaitra Navratri. And okay, so this is chunni, to come in the front of her dress. Okay, And this is the chunni for her head. Beautiful, beautiful piece. I don't think any of my idols had this kind of a variety in dresses. So in case if you all also want to purchase these kind of customized dresses for your idols, then please to place an order by sending an email to Ridham Bhagat at this email ID. And don't forget to mention the size of your idols and your WhatsApp number so that she can connect with you over the WhatsApp and get the details from you. So these are some of the dresses which Ridham Bhagat has sent to me. And this particular set that you are seeing here, this is for Krishna. Look how beautiful this is. And look at this beautiful pagadi. So pretty, isn't it? She has also sent this chunni. And this cute thing that you're seeing over here, this one is actually for Hanuman, okay? So each one of the pieces that I'm going to show you now, it has got threads like this to tie. But I'm not showing it over here, just to ensure that it looks nice for you all. So this one is the cape for him. The piece of cloth which is tied at his neck towards the back side. And this set that you're seeing over here, it is for Ram. And this one is for Lakshman. Actually, it won't look nice like this. It will look better if I can drape it on the idols and show you. And this one is for Sita. That's the chunni. And this is one more small chunni. And this is the dress that she has given me for Bikar Hanuman. And this is the chunni for him. And this is the cape which is tied at the back side for him. I'll be showing each one of these dresses by draping it to the idols so that you can understand how beautiful it looks. So keep watching my upcoming videos and you will get an idea on the type of dresses that she has sent to me. So these are all the jewelry which Ridham Bhagat has sent to me. And this is the Kundan set that she has sent to me for Lord Krishna. And this one is the anklets. Look how beautiful it is. And these small things that you're seeing, let me put my finger so that you understand what is the size. So these things happen to be the bangles. And you know what is the speciality of these bangles? You can expand it like this and contract it. These are available online also, but usually it's going to be a little expensive. And this is the hair for Krishna. So you will understand how I'm going to use all of these things when I make a video. And this one is kamarband or the waist belt. So this entire set is for Krishna. And look at these crowns. See how beautiful they are. And I'm so much in love with this crown, the peacock one. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at the sizes and the finishing. She doesn't make jewelry, but then she can get you jewelry at a very reasonable price. If you can just give her an order and the measurements and all, she can make the dresses in whichever style you want. Whether it is Rajasthani style, Punjabi style, Bengali style or a South Indian style, she can make everything. And look at this particular necklace. See how tiny it is. And look at this necklace, so beautiful. It just complements, that peacock feather kiritam, isn't it? Awesome piece. And this is again a hair, for the small idols. So you will not understand if I show you like this. So let me do Alankaram or Shringar to one of the idols and I'll show you how it is. And this one that you're seeing here, this is the Nath, and this was actually a gift from Ridham Bhagat to my Durga. She hasn't charged me for this, so it seems that this is going to complement the dress that she has sent me, and I'm super excited to see how all of these things are going to look. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.